I didn't plan to review Dzine AI, I just kept seeing it pop up all in one AI design. Replace multiple tools, that kind of talk. And every time I hear that, I get suspicious. So instead of trusting the hype, I decided to test it myself and see what's real. Step 1. Why I tried Dzine AI. Design takes time. Thumbnails, graphics, edits, revisions. It adds up fast. Dzine AI claims it can handle most of that in one place. I wasn't expecting perfection. I just wanted to know if it could actually speed things up. Step 2. First time opening the tool. When I logged in, my first reaction was, okay, this feels clean. Not confusing, not cluttered. Everything was where I expected it to be. That's always a good sign, but I've learned not to celebrate too early. Step 3. Actually designing stuff. I tried real use cases, visuals, layouts, quick edits. Some results looked surprisingly solid. Others felt like rough drafts that clearly needed fixing. That's when it clicked. Dzine AI isn't a designer, it's a starting point. Step 4. What worked and what didn't. What I liked, fast ideas, easy to experiment, good for basic designs. What annoyed me, inconsistent quality. Still needs human taste, won't magically make bad ideas good. If you expect finished, client-ready designs every time, you'll be frustrated. Step 5. Who this makes sense for. Dzine AI works best if you already understand design and just want to move faster. If you're hoping it'll replace creativity or judgment, it won't. It helps. It doesn't decide for you. Final thoughts. So, is Dzine AI the best all-in-one AI design platform? Honestly, not best, not bad, just useful if you use it right. It won't replace designers, it won't replace taste, but it can save time, and that's valuable. Lower your expectations, use it as a tool, and it actually makes sense. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.